Welcome everyone, I am back. Today's July the 30th, 2022. We are going to speak about Avalanche today. We're going to see whether or not the bullishness that we've seen over the last couple of trading days, if it's still here. We can tell from the price chart, you know that, right? We can actually see how the overall market sentiment is feeling at any given particular time, so we know how we should be acting or thinking going forward. Welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. If you guys don't know, I create price predictions. Yes, I said it. I come through and I look at the price chart to try to see where the market is trying to go, and we get in position and we capitalize from it. You guys want to join me? Hit me up, and you do that by hitting the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. I would also recommend, if you're serious about learning how to do this on your own, to join me. Hit that bell notification, because every video that I create will be another opportunity for you all to learn how to do this for yourself. All right, because I'm dropping clues, I'm dropping gems for everyone to see how this is done. So check this out. Did a video in Avalanche not that long ago. You guys can see it was right here on July the 14th, and I was looking for the price to go up then. Here we are today, July the 30th, and the market has done just that. So congratulations to everyone else who predicted the same thing in Avalanche. You guys can see that the bullishness is definitely intact. It's still here. For the most part, we're still aiming to see the price in Avalanche go up. Now, the only thing that we need to speak about today is how high, right? We always need to be cautious about where the sellers are positioned, okay? Because they are here and they will show up. And I'm going to show you one area that they are already that we need to be real careful of, all right? So check this out. Let's go ahead and get this out the way. Good call, 16.5% in 2 days of us actually creating the price prediction. The market in Avalanche gave us 16.5%. If you were to get out the market now, you guys can see that your profitability would be around 42.82%. Just that simple. Now let's take this away. Now, let me show you where I think the sellers are currently positioned right now. That is really impacting the buyers in the market in Avalanche. And it's real simple. We're nearing right now. This is the area that the current buyers are finding issues with, okay? So as I do this video, we all need to be paying attention to see if the buyers have enough momentum to see Avalanche break this $26.25 area. We really need to be paying attention to that, because if we're still looking for the price in Avalanche to go up, this is the first hurdle that the buyers have to take out. All right, so we got that established. We're looking at around $26.25 in Avalanche. I also wanted to show you all that the trend so far in the market in Avalanche is one of higher prices. Okay, so we're creating the level playing field. We understand where the buyers are at. We understand where the sellers are at. Okay, so currently the sellers are positioned right here in the market in Avalanche, and the buyers are down here towards this ascending line. So we got this location that we need to be paying attention to. All right, so if we see the price in Avalanche, for instance, if the price begins to come back down, then that lets us know that we need to see the buyers come in here. Okay, if the market breaks this to the upside, we know that the buyers are controlling the space. If the sellers break this ascending line, we know that the sellers are in charge. It's just that simple. It's not hard. So now let me go ahead and look at this on a different chart. This is Avalanche here on the 2-day chart, and currently we are still seeing that the strength, the momentum is still for the buyers. Okay, 3-day chart. Here it is again. I like what happened here on the 3-day chart right here. The only issue is that the market buyers tend to have enough momentum to break restriction to the upside, and that's just yet. Okay, so the only problem is that in order for this market in Avalanche to break out, it needs to do it right now. So we're currently seeing that in the market in Avalanche on this current 3-day price bar. Will they be able to do it? Is yet to be seen. But seeing how price in Avalanche has just been hovering here just slightly below this horizontal line tells me that they're really trying. The buyers are trying their hardest to make this market move up. Okay, this is Avalanche on the 5-day chart. You guys can see here another good indication that the buyers are trying to move the market up. Just another good indication. The weekly time frame, we got 1 day and 9 hours left, and again, I do like what's currently being seen on the chart to where this arrow is pointing down towards. That looks pretty good. Okay, so all in all, the bullishness is still here on the chart for Avalanche. So we're going to continue to anticipate the price in Avalanche to move higher. Okay, that's going to be our price prediction. Now, we need to try to figure out how high. Okay, we need to try to figure out where's going to be the next issue, the next problem for the buyers. Okay. So the next issue, the next problem, I will say would probably be around like $33, maybe a little bit less. I would say around 32. But the biggest area from a long-term perspective, because this chart right now that you're looking at is 2 weeks. And I can actually see how the market may actually try to move up here in Avalanche to like $41 in the long term. I wouldn't be surprised to see that happen over the next couple of months, especially if the bullishness continues in this space. Look at this one. This is Avalanche on the 3 weekly chart, and you guys can tell that there's a lot of bullishness being seen in this market. Okay, it's still here. Avalanche on the 5 weekly chart, you guys can see here from what happened in previous 5 weeks here to what we have right now. Okay, we got 1 day and 9 hours left, so we got a little bit more time before this price bar completes, but it looks decent now. It looks pretty good right now. Okay, so we're going to look for the market in Avalanche to run up. That first price target that I'm going to drop is going to be around like $30. Let me see. Okay, let me go ahead and put this on a chart. And then at the end of the video, I want you all to give me your price prediction as well in Avalanche. Okay, so currently we understand that the market currently is in an upward trend. The momentum is definitely on the buyer side. Now we need to figure out where would be our price targets. The first one, like I told you, is around $30. Okay, that's gonna be my first price target for Avalanche. It's gonna be around $30. That's 15.5% market move higher for Avalanche. $30 is the first price target. My second one is going to be around $32.50. That gives us 25.5%. Okay, 25.5%. Then my third one is going to be around $36. Okay, right there. Now, support is going to be around $18.70, give or take. But this is it right here, y'all. This is what I'm looking forward to into the market in Avalanche for the month of August. The only problem that I see is this restriction area around $26. That's it. The uptrend is also still intact. So as time goes on, and if we see the market continue to obey this ascending line, we understand that the overall trajectory is still going to be up higher prices. All right. So that is it. I am done. This is the current idea as to where I'm looking for the market in Avalanche to go. And I'm going to put this right to where we are at. And we are in position. So now we just need to chill out, come in every once in a while to see what the market's anticipated to do in Avalanche, to see if we're still on course, to see the price go up. And if so, we know that we can chill out. We can just relax. Now go ahead and give me your thoughts though. It's your turn to give me your price prediction, your price target in the market of Avalanche, and let me know, do you think the price is going to go up? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.